he can put a C4.
No, it's fine. I know where he's going. This is a good spot too.
Look at me! I'm your master!
But we do need to breach soon. Sorry. Alright. Nice. Nice. Actually, very nice. Oh, I'm gonna shield right here. Where's that spitballer shot? We need light on the ceiling over here. Leeches. Ow. Oh. Gas. I'm surrounded by gas and leech. Help. Do it. Oh my god.
Then I shred it through.
Yeah, I don't know. Leech dead. Alright, this
One of the backs is dead.
Alright, I need to make a hole back here. Nice, 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 nice. Just watch the smoke. Nice. Thank you. Oh, I can't light that. I can't light
Even
that
up
gas.
for respawn.
Nice. Nice. Good shot. Alright. We can go out for about a minute.
Yeah, I'm a good depot for resub.
Yep. Same.
Let there be
Why can't I light this mushroom gas? Yep. I want to light the mushroom gas. Also, there's a bulk right here.
Inhibitor field up.
Okay, hold on. Getting there. Nice. Oh boy. Who got leeched? Bulk's going down.
I love this racket.
Alright, some more nitro over here.
Shoot the sack. Dig it out before it gets close.
Another bulk. Okay, swarmers, get off me. I'm getting bullied by swarmers. Nice. We need some flats on these aquarqs eventually, but we have a swarm coming in about 10 seconds.
I shot plats on my collar.
Nice. Okay, back to the holes. Back to the holes. Here we go. Shielding out front. I'm gonna need a resupply. Ow. Oh no! Got it. Yep, going now. To land these power attacks if we can. Roller. Oh. Hold on, I'm trying to get that bulk. Got it. Nice. Yeah. Nowhere. Alright. We need to go get some aquarqs. And then think about black box very soon. Phew. Getting bullied by swarmers at the moment.
Someone's already flooded.
Ready to kill some more crepes.
Okay. Okay, come on. Yeah, let's prep the black box. I'm getting zip lines down to the lower levels for aquarqs down there too. Please get off me. Where are you? You're down.
I got him.
Nice.
Minutes, one shot.
Alright, yeah, let's start doing the black box and setting that up. We need to get desync up though. Scout, can you get him? I'm gonna start hitting the black box. Oh, menace. Got it. Dead. Please get off me.
Supplies are on the way. It's nice to be prepared sometimes, huh? No such thing as too much.
Got it. Oh, just grab her. Good. Exploder. Owie. Yeah, it's happening right now.
Zip line.
We got leech. Pretty good. Grab her. Got it. Okay, done.
Yeah.
Smoke. 3. Good. Yeah. Roller. Sorry, I'm shooting you. Menace. Stun. Exploder. Ah, okay, driller. Good. Exploder. I'm gonna shield down. Here. I'm gonna bring it in. I got one. Yeah. Yeah, same.
I'm really low in ammo.
Okay, chill will go down on your body. Now. Got it.
Okay, run back.
Yep.
Ludicrous speed, looking sharp.
Okay. Good order.
Another supply is on its way. Watch it.
We have about a minute until the swarm. We want to pull maybe 1 or 2 aquarqs as soon as we have the ammo.
Supply box.
All right, let's go. Okay, Praetorians. Watch gas. Watch gas. Never mind. Swarm now. Okay. All right, chill in front. Yeah. Oh, better? Nice. Right, Jaws. Uber down. Oppressor. Shield out front very soon. Get some power attacks. Yep. Alright. Power attack when you can. Yeah. Agreed. Yep. Pretty good. I can hear plasma exploders. Oh. Yeah, might have to go out and look for that. Oh, there it is. Over there. We got time. What? Crazy. Okay, that's staying out there.
Full command, so.
Yeah, definitely. Oh,
That's
okay.
not bad.
Not at all. Alright, we need to, that might have been captured. Yeah, you guys focus on objective. We need to get aquarqs.
Getting supply.
Yep. I'll work on it. Show up. Hello. There's fallers down. Oh, leech. Thank you. Good catch. Oh, I'm. Okay. I'm gonna just have to mow that down as is. Alright, nice. We might have to make a hold down here, to be honest. Oh, yeah. I'm just what? Where? Oh, there you are.
A lot of nitro.
Ow, shellback.
I killed the loot bug, and I'm not
Yeah,
so
driller, we need your help. There's a lot of nitro.
Actually, I'd say for desync, like could you drill path for aquarqs?
Wonder what slot the 7.
I'm gonna work on getting this one up. Oh god, that's a cryo. I can't get that up right now. Yeah, drilling a path up would be very nice. We're gonna get a swarm in about 30 seconds.
We should
So
just
I
make a
did-
hold down here.
Yeah, we need to make a hold down here.
Inventory is full.
How many quartz do you have holds? Oh, I'm out of ammo. Can we call it resupply down here? Ow. I'm out of shields, I'm out of primary.
That's enough. Supply pod incoming.
Excellent. 5 VB shots left.
I think we're actually doing alright so far.
I have grenades though. Guys, we're at the 14-minute mark in this mission. This is not good.
We have all the aquarqs down here. We just push bring them up.
That's true. I have one already up on the 2nd level. Keep pulling the corpse out of the wall, driller, while we're waiting for this.
Down. Better than flying.
Meet a path
Yeah.
here.
Right where? Okay. Yeah, we might have time to actually get back up to our other holds.
You feel that? They're here.
Yeah, we should have time. Should have time, we should have time, we should have time, we should have time, we should have time. Oh, I am stuck in this hole. Oh, I fell in a hole. Amazing. That might have just killed us. I'll work on my way up.
Roll and hold. Up there.
Okay, working on it. I think I'm gonna make it back to you guys. Sticky like the devil. go. Alright, you got a shield in front. That shield's going on a resupply. Okay. Roller. Lots of speakers. You're doing great. Alright, we have a good amount of aquarqs and poles. Just need to get them up.
Yeah, we have 3 by my head.
Alright, so depot those first. Shellback dead.
Another shoulder.
Another shellback. Alright, I gotta go help scout.
One on fire.
There's an aquarq here. From A to D, skipping B and C.
Here's another zip line. Stubborn spot up here. Sorry. Where's the bulk? Anybody can take it.
We have
Ow.
9 aquarqs.
Okay. Getting
I
harassed.
put some shells in the shell bag.
So could you drill here maybe? Oh no, we have this.
Yeah, we need to drill right here.
Oh, it's
Nice.
nice.
Okay, that bulk's gonna take a minute to get to us. Keep digging. Please. Please. Oh my god, please.
Much better.
Here, caution. That's okay. Oh, okay, I need to get out of this hole.
No quarter.
Okay, I know this too.
Okay, I need to go focus that bulk. I need to stop moving so fast. There's 2 bulks. One going. One still on the mine head. Oh, swarmers. Get off my feet.
Yeah, friend.
Okay.
I'm gonna go use your stuff. I got that.
Dead. Where are you? Coming. Getting the swarmers off your back. Where are the other aquarqs?
Yo, one of them
Alright.
is down.
I'm about
I think
to die.
one more needs to be pulled
dead.
there.
Oh, I'm on the mine head. I got swarmered. I need a resupply. Okay.
Supply pod
Enemy
on the way.
slowed down.
Make sure you're about halfway in.
Zip.
Okay. Just let
Okay, I'm going. Bacteria's just spawned.
Oh yeah, the last aquarqs are down here, both of them.
Resupply
Yeah.
pod is here.
We
Everyone
just need to
take
get them up.
position.
The map is the biggest
Oh my God, I
challenge.
lost all my health to get that one. You can just use a shield on it.
Yeah, I'm coming to the mine head. If you can get us to the mine head, we'll get them in.
Warning down.
Oh boy.
Now kill the rest
But
of them.
I got it.
You got it? Alright, I'm going back to hold. We need to stay alive. Menaces, Bacteria's just spawned, driller get in the hold. I'm going with you.
That's all.
Oh, we got it. Nice. Nice job, guys. Tough first stage. Continue. Thanks, man. Dropped it just for you. Hi, Tara.
What is Smith doing? He's on my forehead.
Oh. That really did. Oh, spitters. Alright, next shield going on his body. Oh, if I can stay up. Incendiary out. Okay, shield up. And Warden is hiding inside the oppressor. Speeding. Oh. Yep. We need it. Yeah, I'll take this one for shields. Oh yeah, no, decent. Take that. That's more important. I can manage. We should probably just start drilling and conserve our ammo toward the bottom of the map. So desync. You want to take this resup? I'll give you clean.
Resup and
Yep. Alright, drill there. Toward the
it
bottom.
drops at the bottom of the map.
Toward the bottom of the map. Okay, just stay for a second. Stay for a second. Just for a second. Let's take a look at where it's coming down. Okay, you see that side? Go for it. Oh, hey. Turn around. Oh, boy. Oh, I misclicked that? Okay, sorry. That was misclick. Unfortunate. I do. I'll probably need a resub. Beginning. Oh, boy. Okay, keep drilling. Probably need. Oh, okay. Okay, keep drilling. Hello. Nice. Good. Thank you. Oh wait. No. I'm bait for everything else. Run.
We almost have 2 resubs as well.
It's pretty solid. We can call one at the very beginning, because I'm definitely gonna need it. Very carefully.
It's critical weakness, so it'll be a lot easier.
That's true. We just need to pull them away. Yes, we just have to be cognizant of pulling them away, and then once they're pulled away, I can deal with them very quickly. Well, that's true. Actually, you can probably do it too. Yes, it did. No. The amount of control that Pharaoh bolts exert on a room is impressive.
So we have to the room.
Let's call it resupply, maybe just a top up, because we all could need it. And speakers.
Bulldozers approaching fast. Took it flat.
Yeah.
Are we in the room?
We can free drill maybe the first room or two. I'm calling the resup right here.
We probably should pre-drill the next one as well, because we're gonna trigger a mule.
Yes.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Oh.
No idea. Intuition.
a great guesser. I can see the future.
Yep, just make sure you take that. What do we have for whales? Friable. Alright, I got a shield down in the middle of the room. Take those out.
Further on fire.
Swarmers. No, that was a good move. The swarmers would have been all over us. You're going back in the hole.
Oh, that beater might not freeze.
Menace is almost dead. Alright. Yeah, keep drilling. Good. Ah. Okay.
Down the hatch. Like that.
Sane and healthy. Did you take your resupply?
Oh, I don't know.
Plants. Get the plants.
Good plan.
Okay, let's get out. Out of the hole.
Yes,
Whale there.
There's a lot of plants.
Oh, that's right. Hold on.
Oh, we're
I got
gonna do it. So we should.
Thank God for critical weakness, yeah. That was nice.
I took out the cave leaks. Lights up.
Oh, we
They
need to
respawn.
let's do the mule first before we head back because we figured it.
I need you to bust it in the mule.
Are we drilling the mule down? Oh, we are.
Yeah.
Alright, I attached a leg. Oh. We have a, oh wait. If I mowed you down, I'm so sorry.
Ones without beard.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. That's fine. Swarmers, it's still keeping us alive. Oh my god. Swarmers.
Let there be joy.
That's true. We're getting that.
Bye, space lobster.
You got a tag there. Remember that?
Well,
I love this rattling. Eat blood.
Yep.
yeah, GG.
Beautiful. Alright, and then mind the mule down. Thank you, Bull.
Yeah, nothing.
So what? Okay. Legs on the map. There we go. Watch. All wave. I heard. Swarmers.
Just a hammer. You're good. Mule repair.
Yeah, that's good. We got a mule here. So, I'm heading back to you now, actually.
This is the resupply pod. I'm taking some of the
It's
ammo.
kind of loud.
I have 4 shields. I'm good on ammo. Who needs it?
No one needs it. Really.
Calling me.
Yeah, that'll be
Yeah,
the scout resupply. That's on head. That's on head. That's on head.
Of course. More bugs. Why are they so attractive?
For those about to go, salute you. Covering fire. Because this is that wildfire pod.
Insane. I hear Mastalo's voice in my head when I hear that. Insane. Insane. That's insane. No, I just hear the voice in my head. It's talking. It's just Mastalo. Menace. Menace is out one down.
Me, fuck.
No, not for you. For fuel
Okay. I'm gonna start refueling. Oh no, you got it. I'll play defense.
Nitra, take a disc break. Whatever you need to get done, just be quick about it.
No one.
You can for it.
The best defense is a good
I
offense.
believe in you. You got this.
Let's fill the fuel canisters with
Set.
oil
Bye
shale.
bye. Uh-huh.
Oil shale. Oil shale.
Cryo bolt OP. It really is. There's Nitro up here.
Fun.
Yep. Okay. Swarmer's on top here. I'm just dropping some fire. Yep. I'm just doing it to do it. Yeah, it saves my ammo. Alright, if Scout's gonna go for that resupply back there, I'm gonna take this one for ammo. Oh wait. Do you need it, Snickus? More than me, maybe? You're fine? Okay. Alright. Oh man. It's so
My
good.
breach cutter has a lot. Only my execution is a little low.
It's a law.
Ammo.
That is full, ready to move out. Collect the goodies later. We still have a
Grappling hook.
Better than life.
Greta is on her move. Don't relax just yet.
Alright. I have 4 shields, full ammo. Let's go. Do you have enough cryo bolts to take care of whales? Whales. Okay, good. Sticky sulfur. I will say, it is so nice to have Sticky for this phase in Swarmageddon. Instead of Sludge. Not that Sludge can't do the job, but it's just better at it. Alright. Get off, she's breaching. Okay, I'm shielding in the middle of the room. There goes the mule. I'm just taking down the breeder.
Breeder on the right is one shot. Might die to fire.
Okay.
Yeah, that is a mule.
Yep. Yeah, so that's why this wave was so nasty the first time. It's gonna be even worse. I hear something digging. Oh, got grabbed. Is that a bulk I hear?
Yes.
Amazing. I think it's ahead of us.
That's the longest.
Okay, we got a survivor. Dead. Shield down in this room. You're down. Just let's look. Take a look around. So many purples. Whale. Whale needs dead. Okay.
Rip.
Do you have purples, NG? Oh my god. I'm scared.
I don't know that.
I am scared. There's a bulk here. Just work on it slowly. I'm helping you where I can. There's also bolts. Alright. Here. Yeah, we're good. Oh, we're good. Alright. I think we're just gonna lose that side. Yeah, let's pull that back in the tunnel if we can help it. Yeah. There's so many spitters. Oh, I got wet. Oh god.
You just shield
Where's-
yourself.
Yeah, where's that whale? Is it dead?
No, there's one in the back. Probably still alive.
Okay, here. What did that get caught on?
Fuck detonator, lads! Keep away! It's a friggin' killer!
Okay, here goes the bulk. Yeah, let's take it over now. Both are going down, I think. Let's get that mule back there too.
I got the last beater.
Okay. I'm gonna go take care of Doretta. Oh my god. Menace. Stop.
Alright, safe now.
Alright, repairing. Got a bomber. There's a spitballer. Where?
Dead.
Nice.
I think they're... Yeah.
Bomber dead.
Alright, there's one up there.
All in all, I mean, for the room that we spawned in, I think that was pretty clean. Swimmer nest.
Lighting up! Greasy meatball!
That was... You good? Oh. Where did it show me on this graph? Where did it touch you?
Red sugar!
I'm fixing the second.
Okay. Second meal's going up. Sweet.
Lights up!
Alright, I'm gonna get this started.
I think there's some nitro in there,
Got all the
right?
extra legs, but that's not
Yeah.
good work.
Swarmers.
Working on cracking that thing open.
We have 2 resubs we can call. We're in good shape for now. We can always go back for more.
There's definitely...
Yeah.
There's probably enough in the back room.
Oh, Clara. Yep. Fast. Yeah, let's get some pellet on the walls. Oh, exploders.
Ollie! Over here!
Roller. Okay, we gotta get off. Okay, here come the rocks. Swarmers, right side.
Shelf reached. Good. Watch out, we've got armor and rocks.
Roller's still up. Fire.
I get a shield.
Yeah, so right here. Yeah, that roller's been up for a while. Oh no, it's a new one. Fire. Exploders, right side. That's a problem. Call for a shield whenever you want, I have it up. Then I'm just making you aware. Alright. Watch spitters on the wall, spitters on the ceiling. Oh, grab her. Oh. And swarmers.
I need
Yeah,
a
split.
shield, yeah.
Yeah, Andretta. Okay, that was horrible.
Cool stuff.
That was awful. What's going on? Okay. They're on fire. Okay, hello. EDD. We are in the middle of hell. Diablo. EDD. Stage 2. Escort.
Lovely.
I got bombed. Yeah, I did. Oh, alright, Menace. Oh. Please. Okay. Oh, is anybody streaming? Let me see. Maybe I can. while we have a breather. Because it is critical weakness, so it makes this specific stage significantly easier. Yep, I got Menace.
It is. Alright. Are you smithing or on
Up,
charts?
up, grab her.
You ready to try something?
Right here, Bolt. Yeah, fine. We got plenty. Yeah, there's the bolts. Where are they? You can ping them.
I'll see them behind.
Two. Oh, ow. I think I hear them behind. Yeah, they're over here. They're over here in the tunnel. You guys deal with that. I'm gonna make sure the bolt doesn't get here.
We have enough time. We have both plates, so we can just run away.
We could. Oh.
The other,
Oh, hi. The other bolt's right here. The other bolt's right here. Yeah, run away. One bolt is almost dead.
I killed it.
Okay. Driller, protect me. Yeah, I'm gonna go shield this reset real quick. Okay, we do need to hang on to this last armor plate.
Okay.
Don't pop the bolt. Whatever you do.
Yes, I'm about to get bolt. Actually, Grabber was nice to me. No way. Grabber spared my life.
Oh my god. Oh, hey, Croner's still up. Ow, Menace. Please. Just get off me. Oh my god. Please. I am snickless against the twins right now.
Dude, that twins fight was so fucking close.
Okay.
Just got back from my coffee.
I'll take one. Fielding. Somebody can take it. Taking one just for each fields. Okay, and health. Alright, let's go.
Sit ass over here and hurry, please.
Yeah. I'm honestly surprised that that stage did not go sideways with the bolts. The critical weakness made it pretty easy though. Yep. Go back on fire. Oh, swarmers? Swarmers on my feet. Swarmers on my feet. This is not a place I like to be. This is not a place I like to be.
I'm grabbing.
There's a what? Oh. I'm okay for ammo, I'm just for health. Okay. Alright, and I'm gonna take it to stay alive. Three.
We
Take it
almost
to top up.
Actually, no, we didn't.
Please get off me. Cover, please. Thank you. Now we have more. Yeah.
Mining time.
Mining time.
It's a short one too, just 200 more right? Ghost.
Where's your faith? Believe in you.
handle anything with more legs than two.
Rock and stone, brother!
Get ready! During the final stage. Deeper than you've ever been.
Red
Oh yeah.
Let's stay together.
Forgot shield disruption.
Bugs are fast and deadly. Don't
I have Betsy.
We might or might not have Betsy.
No, I hear her.
Oh, you do?
Oh,
Yeah. That was unfortunate. I'll go forward with Driller.
Dwarf life in a nutshell.
Oh, woo. Close.
Deep Rock seriously needs to invest in some better equipment.
Would you like to watch Pain.mp4?
No, you don't have to convince me.
Okay. We're doing a Diablo dive this week. Oh. Ah! Ah! Crash coming.
okay.
Molly, come here.
Oh. So back spitting.
Line is up.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I keep hitting you. Shield down right here.
Okay, yeah, we can avoid Betsy. I got grabbed by the way though.
Oh.
Okay, well we cannot avoid her actually because she was right there. Yeah, her spawn changed. Yeah, we couldn't even leave the tunnel without triggering her.
Amazing. How many resubs do we have? We have a good
Yeah, he's
amount.
good. The mule's triggered now, by the way.
Oh my god. Wow, this is going sideways.
And it went boom!
Oh my god, my bad.
Yeah.
Please, Betsy?
Yeah, you can freeze Betsy. Nice. Good job. Alright. Yep, we do.
Boom. On fire. Mactera swarm.
It's not on fire anymore. Yep. Slow down, please. It's dead.
Yeah. It's Mactera at least.
Okay. You can throw some IFGs and stuff. Oh, no. Oh, go now. Go. Go. It's shallow enough that IFGs will have an effect. There's another bolt. It's almost like the Mactera Swarm.
That's what I said.
What's that ball? It's like it's gonna come out from the floor.
The door. Get Betsy. Go.
Oh, yeah, it's here. It's in the floor. There we go.
Yes,
You can throw an IV on that as soon as it fully reared itself. Oh, it's okay. Okay, it's fine. Here. It's fine. Got it. Alright. Oh. Yeah, I need a resplit. Oh,
not on that hole.
Did you see that? Alright. Alright, got that.
Ow! This fucking grabber.
Where? Ow. Ow. Ow was on me. Reloading to me. That is awful. Did we repair Betsy? Leave Betsy.
Betsy's
not
a name.
Not on shield disruption. Too risky.
Well, on the bright side, one of the mules are triggered already.
Excellent. It's okay, we need to push that room. Just which one is triggered? Go for that. Cryo bolts on that. Oh, we have Betsy now?
Right there.
Okay.
Don't shoot me. You eyeballing me. Lining up.
I was gonna got a leech here, leech here, leech here, row here. This one right here.
You
Okay.
got this for trigger.
Where's the legs? Legs are there.
Donkey, come here.
Please. Any legs? What? What is happening? Okay. Ow, ow. Oh. It is a really good thing we got all the nitro on that previous stage. Here. Building. Ictera, Kohler.
Close up.
We should look.
Okay. Yeah, we're okay, we're okay. Alright, before we, or maybe Scout can trigger the second one, we need to know where the dirt is though, to get through to handle it.
Leech?
I don't think we triggered the second one. It was that the second heal wave? I could be wrong. I could. Okay, never mind then.
I'm on a sick.
I thought that was just an ambient.
I mean, it should have been triggered already.
Okay,
Getting splined.
that's even better. Where's the dirt? I keep forgetting where the dirt
I mean,
is.
the first one should be triggered already.
Oh, that's right.
I was not near this one before.
Okay.
Slap the part back.
There's morkite. I forgot, this is a really goofy dirt location.
Nitro.
We're okay on Nitra. I think we have like... Doris had another diablo. Scout. Definitely scout. Thank you.
Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got to pay.
We have like... Yeah, we have plenty of nitro. We're okay.
I needed that.
When you can't push, just keep pushing. We'll just hold W.
Or wise birds.
Thank you.
What's the wolf?
Oh, hey, whale. It's him. Got it. Oh, Ictera.
I need a damn.
I know.
Where
Oh,
is it?
yeah, food.
This left room.
Lining up.
Where are you all?
We're in the last room already.
Okay, sorry, I got held up. Coming.
Right there.
These things are so much cheaper.
I'm totally loaded.
Yeah, keep calling Molly too.
Resupply arrived. Where is it? Damn.
We have enough.
We have the morkite, let's just wait.
Let me go. Just drive me.
Where's Molly? Molly's over there.
Someone's holding lost.
I am. I got held up, sorry. Hold on. Break.
Hey, trigger discipline bullet rate.
Another break. Gas.
I need the kills.
Oh, there's a nice bulk hole here. Let's keep running. How long, brother?
He's a nice guy.
What is? Honestly, that's one of the nice parts of Diablo is that you often get things like this on mining missions.
Huh.
Up here.
What, just tunnels around the map?
Yeah, basically. No. pillars just went. Oh, I see, yeah. Oh, another bolt. Oh, roller. Hello. Wow. Exploders everywhere. Oh, no, I fell.
Oh no.
That was awful.
Exploder.
Yep, staying back. Alright, go on.
Oh my god, I shot that.
No.
What the fuck?
That's terrifying. Oh boy,
That is
oh boy.
That is mission.
No. Thanks. I'm on 1 health. You can get another resupply down by the pod.
Just wait here.
They're on the last stage though.
Actually, probably sweet.
I hate where this is. I'm staying here. I'm scared. Can't make me leave. Yep, coming. I forget which side the door is on. Please get down. Here it is.
Nice.
GG's. Oh, thanks, Paul. That roller didn't appreciate us. GG's easy. Do some sane 6x2 gaming for Doors sanity.
Was that your first attempt?
Second. Wait, no. It was it?
The very
It wasn't
first
first
attempt was
attempt.
like a minute.
I'm getting mixed messages.
It was literally 1 minute of stage 1 and that was it.
Yeah. First serious attempt.